Hey, come on in. So I thought for this week's video, let's do something a little bit different. There are things that we all use around our homes, kind of the go-to products in every room of our house that are really affordable. And I know I've got my top 15, 18, 20 that I love, you know, the go-tos that I repurchase over and over again. And I thought, why gatekeep? Most of these things are new. Some maybe you've heard before, maybe that's a stretch, but I figured I'm just gonna go through the house. Let's talk about some beauty, lifestyle, wellness products that are under 20 that really have just gone the mile for me. And I love them and I buy them again and again, and I'm not a gatekeeper, so I just want to share. What do you say we start in the bedroom and then we can work our way upstairs? Shh, I don't know about you, but I need it really, really quiet when I sleep. And that's why I sleep with these. Yes, my noise canceling earbuds. A lot of people use these when they travel. I need them for rest. These are at 32 decibels. They really cancel the noise. Even Mr. Furry Face over here coming and going. I don't hear you. Oh no, sir, I don't hear you. You can come up and say hello to everybody. Come on up. There it is. That's right. It cancels him out too. I love them, but I want my quiet at night. And by the way, 50 of them come in a little container for $17.97. That's right. We don't hear you, but we love you. We do. We love you. Give me a kiss. Mwah! I love you. Also a part of my sleep journey is the melatonin that I take at night. I like the Natrol melatonin, 10 milligrams. These are strawberry flavored, chewable, dissolvable. I find that if I take it about 30 minutes before bedtime, I can really feel the effects along with my progesterone as well. But this is a 100-day supply for $12.53, and it stays right here on my nightstand before I go into La La Land. Okay, y'all, this next one is great. If you are traveling and going to a wedding and you need to bring a dress with you and you want to pack it up in a garment bag, I can't say enough about this one. First of all, it's ginormous, okay? It's huge. So if you have a long gown, if you're going to a formal wedding, or let's say you're a bridesmaid in a wedding, this way you can pack your dress. It's got this 8-inch gusset with the zipper compartment to be able to put in all your accessories. And of course, you run it through here and you hook it, but it just keeps going and going and going and going and going. So again, if you're traveling and you need to pack a really nice garment, this little garment bag will do it. And it was, woo, did it just make it in? No, this was $13.99. Plenty of room to spare, literally. Hey, we're in the bathroom. There's some gems in here and some new things I want to share with you. Hold on. Okay, you know I self-tan, and here's the thing with self-tanning. After a couple of days, you start to get a little splotchy. Some areas are sticking to your body. Other areas have gone away. It's not a pretty sight. So you need some kind of a self-tan remover besides just a brush so you don't scratch yourself to death. So I got this Saint-Tropez. This is the tan remover, mousse and primer. It's a 2-in-1, prep and maintain. It's great for sensitive skin as well. It's vegan, natural, it's cruelty-free. $13.30. And what's great about it is it's a mousse. So you just pump it out and then you rub it all over your body. You let it sit for 5 minutes. It does its thing, and then you go in the shower and you just shower off with soap and water, and that's it. And if you have any sticky areas, you can use a little scrub brush, but I just found the mousse and just rinsing off in the water and using soap did the trick, and it got rid of my tan, and that way I'm able to start from scratch with a nice clean slate. Okay, you know how much I love coconut and vanilla, and especially when it's under my arms, it's even better. So this is my deodorant that I'm using. This is by Native. It is the coconut vanilla deodorant and body spray. It's for men and women. Most importantly, it is aluminum free and it's hydrocarbon propellant free, and it's $13.97. When I spray it on, it's a mist, a fine mist. It goes on wet, but it dries immediately. And let me tell you, I have a complete aversion to sticky underarm deodorants. They make me crazy. I will not use them if they feel tacky. So this dries right away, and it smells great because you know me, coconut and vanilla, always a winner. Let's go over here for the next thing I want to show you. I get asked all the time, what do I do to whiten my teeth? Well, two things. I mean, I can show you a couple of products. So first of all, the Native, another Native product. This one is the Wild Mint Whitening Toothpaste, fluoride free. But I'm also using on top of that, and I'll do this every couple of days, this is the Plus White 5-minute speed whitening gel. And this works super, super fast. It is $15.88. Only takes 5 minutes to do. So you basically take it and you can put it on a Q-tip. It's so easy. So this is the Plus White. You just put it on a Q-tip like so. And you roll it on your teeth, and it's going to get foamy. You just let it hang out for 5 minutes, and that's it, and you're done. And then your teeth get whiter, and it really helps if you drink coffee like me. I know you understood every word I just said. All right, this next product you guys told me about when I was doing my skincare video and washing my face, and you could see all the soap and the gunk just dripping down my forearms. Yeah, no more. Okay, thanks to you, I now have this, which is awesome. So this is the headband, right, to get your hair out of your face, but these are the wrist guards. So these are the lifesavers. And when you wash your face, you just put them on. Well, I don't have a watch on when I wash my face, but they soak up any water, any residual stuff that's coming down the arms, so it doesn't get on the countertop. And these are such a deal. The headband and these little wrist guards are only $5.99, and this color is coffee. And by the way, most of the stuff that I'm featuring I got on Amazon. There will be links provided below if you're interested in any of this. But thank you for your recommendation. My counters are clean now. Next up is something that's just really pretty and really, really practical as well. It's a hand soap. It's a liquid, but it turns into a foam. This one is by Michael Works. It's the Honey Almond Foaming Hand Soap. See? Liquid. Comes out foamy, smells, oh my gosh, honey, it smells, do you know what it reminds me of? It smells like my dad's puffer that has this scent to it. It's amazing, and it's $14.24, and a great way to clean your hands. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a fly that made its way inside my house when I had the door open, and he's trapped in there. Anyway, so I have a smaller MacBook for work, and Court shared this with me, and that would be the MacBook case. Yes, the MacBook case. This one is compatible with the MacBook Pro 14-inch, but you know they make them any size. It's the hard shell case, and it's got the soft keyboard cover on the inside and a gazillion covers, a gazillion. So you can choose any color that you want. This one was the closest at $19.99, but I love it. This one is called Camel for $19.99. Really pretty case. But again, whatever color is your jam, you can have it on your laptop. But make sure you protect it. It's important. And of course, style points are always good too. Okay, this next product is amazing. Do you ever have a hard time with your rug slipping on your hardwood floors, or you don't want to put the pad or the mesh down, want to save a little bit of money? Check these guys out. These are rug grippers that are perfectly safe for hardwood floors. They stick to the back of your rug. They don't harm it. They adhere to the floor, and they don't harm it. It's incredible. And you just anchor these down at every single corner. And these guys are $8.98 for 4. So you can anchor an entire rug for $8.98 without causing harm to your rug or your hardwood floors. You can thank me later. Before we make our way upstairs, a little quick stop in the laundry room because I love this laundry detergent. Again, I like natural products, so I love the hypoallergenic Ecos plant-powered laundry detergent in lavender, 100 loads, synthetic fragrance dye free. So this is a really good product if you're looking to keep it clean in your washer and dryer. Oh, $10.79. I almost forgot. Okay, let's go up to the kitchen. I know you love your coffee as much as I do, and there are some key elements for me that make my coffee taste great. So one of them is the New Naturals New Stevia powder, and it comes in the little packets. And this way it's already pre-measured, and for me, 1 packet does it for a cup of coffee. I just love the flavor of this stevia. It tastes great. And what I also like about the packets is that I can pack them in my purse and take them with me. So wherever I go, if I order a coffee, I know I have my stevia and I'm not stuck with the blue, pink, or the white packets, if you know what I'm saying. Also, I get more questions about this coffee machine. I can link it if you guys want. It's an espresso. It's fantastic. I can guarantee you it is not $20, but I'll link it if you're interested. By the way, the New Naturals is $9.99. More coffee talk. Aside from the sweetener, I'm a stickler for a certain kind of creamer. Again, I don't do dairy, so I like oat milk, and I have found this. I've tried all different kinds of oat milks, almond milks, nut milks, things like that. I love this one, the Chobani oat milk extra creamy. When it's extra creamy, I use less of it. And this one's roughly $4 depending on your grocer and where you order it from, but it's just my personal favorite. So this with the New Naturals stevia, mwah, amazing. Okay, this isn't new, but it's worth mentioning again because I love it so much. And just like coffee is part of my morning routine, so is Jesus Calling, this 365-day devotional, enjoying peace in his presence. And it's by Sarah Young, and I just love it because every day there's a wonderful devotional along with scripture references on the bottom, and it just puts my head in a wonderful place to start the day or to refresh if needed. So I just wanted to mention that, and this book is $10.99, but in my opinion, it's priceless. Okay, last on my list, some water bottles. I have a water purifier here in the house. So I will purify water, put it in the fridge. Again, same concept, purifies, puts it in a glass container. This too is a glass container, but you can take it with you. So it's 18 ounces. Glass, it has a non-slip type of a sleeve on top of it. You can get it in many, many different colors. And then you can just take your water, pour it into your glass water bottle. And then I'll take this downstairs. I'll have it by my bedside sometimes, or I'll take it to work with me if I don't want to drink the plastic water bottles at work. It's got a bamboo lid, and I love that. And this is $17.99. And I'm going to wrap up this video with something that is just, it makes such a good gift. If you're looking for something, if you want it for yourself, and it makes a good gift, but everybody loves a stainless steel tumbler, and this one is personalized. Custom, different colors. It has lid, it has a straw. You can take out the straw, you can put your coffee in this. 20 ounce, and this is only $9.99. And like I said, it's personalized. So that's my list of just household items, things that I like that are under $20. And I think we covered the gamut, or at least, I mean, these are things that I use on a regular basis. Everybody's different. Some of you may have more kitchen products that you use or whatnot. But this is what I love. And I just love to be honest with you about what's in my house and what I like to use and, you know, what works for me. Yeah, and to save money too. That's really, really important. Also, can I remind you, talk about important, my gosh, it's like right around the corner. I can't believe it. The Flourishing Tour, my Over 50 and Flourishing podcast tour, is coming up June 13th in Washington, D.C., June 14th in Brooklyn, back in Texas, June 19th in Dallas, June 20th in Houston. Tickets are going so quickly. I'm already hearing from women all over the country who are coming in to see this, and I'm over the moon excited. It's going to be such a great event, and there's so much heart and soul being poured into this to make it an experience, to make it interactive, enjoyable, transparent. Sharing, you know, I believe that we learn and grow so much when we share, and I just want to encourage all women, especially at this stage in life, to flourish and to carpe diem, seize the day, you know, take advantage of what's being planted in you to, you know, cultivate your creativity, your joy, your passion, find your purpose, dig in your heels, maybe make some hard decisions about your health, your wellness, your life, you know, career, whatever it is. You know, we're all in this together. We're all in this journey together as we go through midlife and we go through the physical changes that come with midlife, but there can also be some really big transformative life changes, as you've clearly seen with me just in the past couple of years, and never in my wildest dreams could I have conjured this up. nor be as happy as I am, and truly at peace and content, and in a place of just immense joy for, having gone through the hard stuff to get to this incredible blessing that has just caught me by surprise. So anyway, that's kind of what the Flourishing Tour is about. And if you're in that space, or you're not quite in that space and you want to be in that space, please get your ticket now. We've got a link below in the description, along with links to everything that I've mentioned if you're interested in any of that. But I can't wait to see you all. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate your journey with me. Many of you have journeyed with me since 2014 when I started this channel. Can you believe 10 years we've been together? 10. Wow, where does that go? Oh my gosh, just the blink of an eye. But I'm so grateful for it all. I'm grateful for you. Content ideas, please lay it below. And I look forward to seeing you next week. I look forward to seeing you on tour or wherever we may connect. Go out, be bold, and be blessed. Until next time.